Hello all. In this video I'll be explaining you how to activate the TTM power range tool in your mobile application. For this you need to download the Tradingview app in your mobile, and once you download and once you log in to your Tradingview account, you will be seeing a screen like this. So once you share the Tradingview username with us, we'll be giving a confirmation saying that the TTM power range tool is activated for you. So once you get that confirmation, you have to visit this application and there you have to click on the chart. So once you click on the chart, here you will be seeing some random stock. So as of now in my mobile screen I am seeing Indian Bank. So here you need to click on this three dots. Once you click on this three dot, there you will be seeing add indicator or strategy. So you have to select. So once you select that, you will be seeing an options of favorites, my scripts, technicals, financials, community scripts, and at the end you will be seeing invite only scripts. There you have to select invite only script. So once you select the invite only script, there you will be seeing TTM power range. So as of now on my screen I have access to multiple TTM tools for a different trading setup. For you the TTM power range access is given, so you have to select the TTM power range. So once you select the TTM power range, and you have to close this window. So once you close this window, there you will be seeing the TTM power range which is activated on your Tradingview account. In case after clicking on add indicators, and if you are not able to see invite only scripts option, you need to log in again. You have to sign out the current session and you have to sign in the Tradingview account in your mobile. Then you can see the invite only scripts option. Still, if you are not able to access to this TTM power range, or if you are not able to see the invite only scripts option, then you have to check the Tradingview account username which you have given to us is correct or not. If the Tradingview username which is given to us is not right, then you have to send us the correct Tradingview username. Again, we can give the access for the same. Wishing you a great learning journey ahead. Thank you.